Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a fabulous day. Today we are going to be making some ephemera pieces, just trying to get more like a vintage look, taking inspiration from the nautical maps. And I created 4 little embellishment pieces. I put little eyelet in there. They can be a little journal embellishment or like ephemera pieces for your notebooks or journalings, or either some decoration for some vintage cards. Before I show you how to make them, let me showcase the paper I have used today, which are the ones from my VIP Lounge membership. In case you're new to me, my VIP Lounge is a monthly membership where from the price of £2, yes, £2. I don't even know what you get with £2 nowadays. In the UK, you can't buy a coffee from £2. So you get loads of digital papers that help you crafting for quite a while. Okay, and every month the theme is different. So this month the theme is nautical. Okay, keep watching, guys, and I will see you very soon. The main collection is called Under the Sea. So this collection here is inspired by the nautical world of sea. There's a lot like creatures and vessels, etc. So just going to show you page by page. This one has got 2 pages here. This is one of my favorite. It reminds me of like Atlantis, like underwater sea world full of like flowers, etc. Another page here, this you can use it as a whole page with like maps and vessels. I love that with the lighthouse here and the water. It's all blend, it's all designed to be mixed and matched. Love that. There's like a jeweled creature, so you've got the shell here and the jellyfish. Another one here with the turtle and little seagull. Another one with the vessels. So again, as you can see, there's a lot like brown and blues color palette. Again, another 2 sections that you can use as a one piece, or if you make a journal, it could be like a cover, so front and back. Another one here with the fish and the seahorse. That's it. So that's the main collection. You also get 1 page of bookmarks. So these are bookmarks, but also been designed to be a tags. Again, it's all mix and match, so it's 4 sections that you can cut off together. Also, all my VIP members get a letter gift box. So this month is the last letter, which is letter Z, and we have completed the entire alphabet. So you get a page with the instruction. This is very, very easy to pull together. So you got the main letter, which is the Z, and then you've got the 2 tabs on the side and the 2 tabs to go on the front, on the top here. And then of course you get the Z, which is the backwards. And because I had this free page here, I thought, am I going to give you an extra an extra gift, which is a pillow box, but I'll show you what it looks like when it's all put together. That's it. It's quite big, and then of course it stands on its own. All my 3D letters stand on their own. It's fantastic. I really like it. And this is the pillow box, so it opens like that. Okay, let me show you all the alphabet that we have done so far. We've got letter A, B, C, D. Got them all in here. If I can reach. E, F, G, H, I. And each letter, of course, is different. Depends on the month that we've done it. And then we got J, K, L, M, N, O, E, Q, and R, S. Lovely, like velvet florally, and then T. Then we've got U and V. And then letter W, X, N, And last, letter Z. All the alphabet is now available on my website if you want to purchase the entire letter. So from letter A to letter Z, of course, my VIP members have got them for free. Every month, you also get a digital magazine. And every month it changes. Like this month, the theme is food. So the magazine that you get is the Good Food magazine from the BBC, and you got 73 recipes. So as you can see, I'm just gonna give you a quick flip through. So you get loads and lots of inspiration, but also you can print these papers and use in your journal for mixed medias. And of course, you can also follow the recipes if you, like myself, you like to cook and you like good food. Last but not least, this month, every month you get a little gift from me. And this month, the gift is an additional pack, which is called Under the Sea Ephemera Pack. So there's 4 pages that have been designed to go with the main pack. And I got an idea what to do with this. So this is a section of 4, as you can see, 8 different backgrounds. I got an idea how to use them, and you're going to love it. Section of tags to go with it. Also 2 scallop envelopes. So if you can cut them, that's the side tab, that's the top, and then you fold them, becomes envelopes. And then on here you got a large secretarial pocket. So what you do, you cut this. You can put it together by folding on the tabs, front and side, or you can cut it and put this on your page of your journal, and then you've got 4 slots. Okay, so again, it's been designed to be used together like that, so you get 4 slots on the front and 4 slots on the back, or as I said, you can cut it and glue it on your journal. Okay guys, so a couple of weeks ago we made the hidden paper clips. Okay, and I will put the video at the end of this one in case you guys have missed it. And we have used, to make those, we have used the page with the 8 embellishments like that. So what the starting point, what I want to do is basically using I'm gonna make 4. Am I gonna make all of them? I'm gonna use them all. I'm going to cut them in the 4 sections. And what I want to do, and I'll do one with you guys and I'll do the rest off camera, I want to make them as vintagey as possible. I want them to look like a map from old age. So I'm just literally gonna chop the borders, and I've got here, this is just a plain brown envelope, so I'm just gonna fact, because I don't want to waste. So this is where the glue is, so just gonna chop that off as well. There are some rulers that you can buy to make this sort of effect. I do prefer my fingers. I think it's just another piece of tools that you need to get. And it's not needed because we all got fingers. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to fold it, like roll it. I'm gonna use my this is my scoring tools. I'm just gonna make like a little fold. Can you see what I'm doing? I'm literally like fold it like that, and I'm gonna do the same on the bottom. Okay, so we get this little fold, and because I don't like to see the white, I'm going to distress the edge, this brown ink, I'll do the same on the bottom. Yeah. And because there is quite a lot of brown, there's quite a lot of browns on the paper, it works. And I'm going to do the same on this piece. This is very, very easy and quite addictive as well. And I'm just going to ink. You don't have to be precise at all. Actually, the less precise you are, the better look you're going to achieve. Okay, and then I'm just going to attach. My only concern is that because this envelope paper is really thin, so I might have to put like a cardstock or something. I'll have a look in a minute. No, it's actually all right. It's not very. Yeah, I might. Yeah, I'm gonna reinforce it. I'm just gonna put a little bit of this really thin cardstock. It's because I just want to give a little bit of strength. Not a lot. It's just. Oh yeah, it feels better now. Yeah, it feels better. And then I've got. Please guys, don't ask me because it was gifted to me. I got this. Where is it? I got this stamp here. It says postcard and it's some writing and some flowers. And I'm literally going to keep it in there. Use the brown envelope, brown ink. Don't know why I said brown envelope. Like that. And then where it says postcard, which is here on the far corner, I'm going to put that in there. And I'm just going to try to cover all these little bits and pieces. Yeah, that's nice. Can you see? You can use any stamps that you guys have, but I think that really, really, really works. Just gonna do it again. I want to get. Yeah, that's nice. Voila. Yeah, and you can roll it back up. Right, I'm gonna make the other three and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I've done them all and I have put a little eyelet in there. I just think it will just add in a little bit of extra detail. So that's what they look like. So this is the one with the jellyfish, the one with the shell. I love them. They're little cute ephemera pieces. This is what we've done together. And this is probably my favorite one because what I was trying to do, like on the other three, the images, it's on the middle, it's on the center of the envelope paper. In here, I put on your top left, and then I had this space here where I stamped the detail, so it looks. Yeah, I quite like how he's finished it. Guys, I'm going to go. These are the ephemera pieces. If you wish to join my VIP lounge papers and get your hands on these wonderful papers here, I will showcase exactly where to find it on my website. This is my website, antoniomakes.com. Of course, it's June. So throughout the month of June, we have a summer sale. I only do 2 sales a year, one just after Christmas and one in June for summer sale. All my digital papers, so if you click on digital papers here, all my digital papers are discounted up to 50% off. Some are less, some are more. You can get your hands on my Christmas paper for literally half price. All my books are half price. Every single one of them from £3.99 to £2. So again, throughout from the 1st of June until the 30th of June. And then when you join my monthly membership, so my VIP lounge, where every month you get, when you join the £2 a month, you get 30% discount across everything on my website. So all my papers, all my book will be 30% off. unique digital design and collection. So every month you will be able to download paper that's specifically designed for my VIP members, digital bookmarks and tags. Again, they will change on a monthly basis. A digital magazine you can download and read, and also you can create. A gift box template. We're doing alphabet, and then soon we're going to move into numbers. And last is a gift from me every month, which is an additional papers pack. Yeah, you get quite a lot for £2 a month, which the cheaper is less than the price of a coffee. You can opt out to the £5 ones, which you get everything that you get with the £2 month, but as an additional, you get a digital book of your choice from my online catalog. So when you go into my book, you get one of these every month. You decide, so you can collect them all. And these are the lovely feedback from my VIP members. And here on the corner, my social media tags as well. Okay guys, big thumbs up if you like this video. Your interaction is literally very, very, very much appreciated, because every time you guys interact with my channel, YouTube get a little notification, and it's much, much appreciated. I will looking forward as well to have you part of my VIP lunch community, and please, if you wish to become a member, just join today. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, and until next time, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.